So I would like to give the estimation of band descriptor, that you can see in the screen. Oh, sorry. Can you see in the screen right now, sir? IELTS band
Yes.
descriptor, So
Okay.
we refer to only band 7. Yeah, only the band 7. We are not aiming band 6, not 5, 8, not yet. Yeah. So address all parts of the task means that if you are given the question, you must be careful. What is the meaning of the task? Yes, either it is speaking, writing, listening, and then the reading part. Because each of them, it's always have categories, sir. For example, in the writing, you know that the question like this is what you must answer. Yeah, writing task 1, if you have table, you write about the table, but you make sure you understand also the given years and what's supposed to be done in the writing. Yeah, that is writing. In the speaking, you must make sure that you understand the real questions. Yes, the real questions, and then what tenses appear in the questions like that. Yeah, this is outside the synonym, outside of outside of the synonym, yes, sir, outside of the vocabulary. Yeah, about understanding. And then in the reading that you see, there is always, I don't give you reading practice yet, right, sir? Did I ever give you reading practice in my class?
Mm,
I believe no to you.
practice by YouTube, Miss.
Yeah, you practice by yourself
Listening and
because I asked you,
writing.
please
Yeah.
practice by yourself, because it's saving
Yeah.
our time, sir. You need all of my students, throughout of 20 years of teaching, what they need, speaking partner as well as editor, or the one that is will guide the writing task 1 and writing task 2. So for the reading and listening, I always suggest please do by YouTube. Okay.
Yeah.
In the YouTube also, that you can see that there are category, like this one is only 2 words only, or 2 words and a number. Be careful with that, that is instruction. So even though that you see in the text, for in the reading, even though that you see in the task that the answer long, but if you see the given question, it's only 2 words or a number, you make it short. So you don't write as original in the text. Yeah, that's what I mean by the instruction. Instruction. The instruction is must be followed then, like that. No excuse for the instruction. If they say only 1 word and a number, then 1 word in a number. When they say it is not given or false or true, then you must make sure that the answer not given is for something or some statement that are not exist in the text, even though you know it, but it is not written, implicit or explicit. You should answer not given. Yeah, that's in the reading. Listening as well. There are always instruction, right? At the top. You've been doing the YouTube test, I believe. Okay. Now I address again, come back to band 7, numbers 2, present a clear position throughout with relevant details. That means you don't put yourself in gray position for the writing task 2 especially, or for the speaking especially, Why? Because it's gonna be making you giving excuse too many. If you are not sure your positioning, you tend to be in the gray line, and then you have to give 2 for every given issue. That's gonna be danger. That means your answer will be always not sure and not finished because the given time. In the speaking, you have only 1.5 minutes to talk. So the suggestion is always present clear position. In IELTS, they don't really matter. You do understand my explanation, sir?
Yeah.
Yes, In IELTS, they don't really care about yes, no, agree, disagree, or whatever it is. No, they don't really mind about what will be your choice, but they are going to take your positioning, yeah, and then asking the reason, and then you elaborate them, yeah, and it's gonna be logically organized. That's why in the second and third paragraph, especially in writing task two, yeah,
Yeah.
when you are explaining about two situation, make sure that you are organized by giving the explanation and then state the situation. After that, result. Pokoknya always have result. Ya. After you give blah 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 explanation, you go to the America, to Australia, or wherever it is. Yeah. But then always result. Yeah. That in paragraph two, paragraph three also like that. Yeah. Any
Yeah.
other than that, locally organized, also related to how you present the linking words, sir. Yeah, the linking words help you. Yeah, and the linking words are many. You can see in here, you can do screenshot, sir. Yeah, there are many linking words that to express writing task one, writing task two, as well as for the speaking test. So these are all will be collide into 20 minutes and 40 minutes and 22 minutes speaking. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the ability that they expect from Band 7. Yeah. So it's supposed to be what they call it clear. Yeah. The vocabulary, does it has to be very high, Miss? Not really. Kalau Band 7, not really that one. Yeah. But Band 8, yes. Yeah. They ask you to well develop response. Yeah. Nanti lebih more to synonym, sir. But you are in the position now to reach Band 7. That's why I read Band 7, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh, if it is related, did you already screenshot this one, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can send to my WhatsApp chat, to our WhatsApp. Okay, because I'm going to present other text again. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, any other than that? Yeah. Oh, this is the linking words are the tenses that I've been trying to make you organize. Last time already until passive voice, yes, sir. Passive
Yeah.
voice always have verb three, always. And passive voice, verb three never stands alone. It always have friend. Yeah. After the passive voice, it's either you understand about the different continuous and not continuous.
Yeah.
Any other than that, I think that we just practice. Yeah. Any graph, any slide that you want me to present, just ask me. Yeah. But I would like to ask you about the given task in here. Did you do already, sir?
I'm good.
Not yet?
I think not yet.
Yes. And since that I'm trying to make you realize that you will not have any clue in the test, no sample, no whatever it is. I'm closing the sample. Yes, sir. Closing the sample also. And I believe about the structure, you are okay too. So I'm closing. But about the verb, I would like you to still see and then use the adverb as well. Yeah. When it is decrease, you mention how does it decrease? It decrease sharply. It decrease abruptly. You have to use the adverb. Yeah. Okay. So you have 20 minutes to do so, sir. The given time now 10:42, yeah. 10:42. That means 11:02 done.
Sorry, what time of deadline?
What time of what, sir?
Deadline,
The ending time?
ending time.
11:02. I write in the chat
Uh,
already.
okay.
Already write in the
Okay.
chat. It's in the chat, right? Yeah, 11:02.
Eh,
After this, we are going to do writing task 2. And then after that, we are going to do 5 sample of speaking, sir. Yes, one by one. Don't forget to change the verb, yes, sir.
I forget. For detailing of country, I'm
Yes.
take to paragraph 1 or paragraph 2, ya, Miss?
For detailing the country, the
Yeah, then
conclusion overview is in the second paragraph. So you don't put detail number in the second paragraph, but you can mention the country name and the year. Yeah. For the detail of the number, like the one in here, that it is in megawatts, that you are going to explain in paragraph 3 and 4. You wanted to see this one, sir? Here. This is what you wanted to see, sir? Again, conclusion is at the second paragraph. in writing task 1. In writing task 2, conclusion in the fourth paragraph.
Originally, that question based because I think mention India, Denmark, Germany, United States in paragraph 1. Yeah, originally.
In paragraph 2, so
One paragraph
take a look at
mention.
the picture first, yeah. The picture described by the country as well as by the year, yeah. The country with all the given year it exists, yeah. So you are focused gonna be describing overall, yeah, what countries are taken the highest or what country is taken the highest, yeah, that take the highest point, and then the lowest point and similar point, yeah. If the country is two, then you mention the two countries. Yeah, in what year? And then if the lowest, if there are two, you mention also two countries with the year. That you can mention in paragraph 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
The one that you cannot mention only the megawatts because that gonna be related to comparing time in paragraph 3 and 4. Am I answering your question, sir?
Okay. Okay.
That your question, yeah. So you mentioned the countries and the year where it got the highest point. The country and the year where it got the lower point, the lowest point. The country and the year where it stated the similar points. It's supposed to be from two different countries, yeah. My insight of the over your writing this one, yeah. Let's see the bar graph, yeah, this one. We have a new one like the supply bar graph like that illustrate the quantity of wind energy production. Yeah, so next time give like the given, the supply, like that, yeah. In foreign nations since 2000, yeah. The bar data was given in varied color, yeah, varied color, such as uh, red for India, no need to put S, yeah. Red for India, orange, wrong spelling, orange. In the upcoming paragraph, yes. Uh, Mention the four nation. In four nation, which were India, it's supposed to be, yeah, sorry, yeah. India, then not the name of the category, see? The name of the category is supposed to be mentioned. Oh, okay. Mention the title and the category. India, Denmark. I see. You mentioned already the color with the country itself. Yeah, no need to. That means,
Okay.
yeah, because you already mentioned we are trying to create effective writing. I didn't notice. I thought that you are just mentioning the color. Yeah, red for India, blue for Denmark, yellow represent sometimes. Yeah, yellow represented. We change, not all the time the same. Yeah, and orange identified United States. So we have variant type of how you explain color. Yes, sir? Yes. Overall, United States, yes. So when say United States consistently, which mean not only 1 year, isn't it? So you are married to use was leading. That mean happen continuously in the past. Was leading, yeah, was leading but was showing, this one was showing steadily growth for several years. The question related to the overall as well as the similar point. Yeah. And then the tendency of the graph, all the graph, the tendency, they are fluctuated or no?
Not fluctuated. Just little fluctuated.
Yeah, that means not fluctuated. Yeah. But
Yeah.
then is it showing an increment?
The
Indeed
increment.
so. Yeah, all of them showed the raise, right?
Yeah.
So you can put in here most of the countries were showing an increment in the supply of energy, yeah.
Yeah. Then
In the wind energy production, yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, because all of them, sir. So that is important because that's what it is showing. Yeah. If it is not, increment, yeah, then it's gonna be the decrement or fluctuation. In here, fluctuation are not happening. Uh, at least on the overview, yeah, so far. Let's be good to the third and fourth paragraph. You are referring by the year of 1985 that India produced 20 megawatts and increased to 40 megawatts by, yes. You can put in here 40 megawatts. This is another sample, yeah, to put respectively. What is the meaning? It's just English expression, sir. After the number, you put respectively, like that, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, this one you you try to elaborate
Well,
all, yeah. Oh, that mean
yeah.
you
I'm
don't have
elaborate
to
with
write
the
one by one
similar
like this,
value.
sir. Yeah, consecutively.
Oh,
Yeah, if you mention all
okay.
consecutively. Yeah, but sir, you are writing 1995, 2000, 1990. No need to, yeah. For the four given period, you just mention like that because they want a brief writing, yeah. Instead of saying by 1990, by blah 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 blah, yeah. You mention by the given four period enough, yeah. By the given four period. Yeah. So we can erase the year. Yeah. The Germany started and also steadily growth. Yeah, and also steady growth. And also harus ada verb ya. Steady itu adjective, growth itu noun. Where is the adjective? Not yet. And also was performing, yeah, steady growth over several years. Kalau udah ada several, the-nya nggak usah ya.
Yeah.
Karena sama-sama definite. Several itu definite, the juga definite ya. Reaching to 90. Excellent. Yeah. But did you compare already, sir? You compare India with
The compare in paragraph
with
4.
Germany. Yeah, you compare India with Germany. In addition, similar the Germany started with similar points Isn't it, sir? Similar point kan? Sama-sama ya.
Right.
Okay. On the other hand, United States begins. This is happened in the past. Began.
Hmm.
Hmm. Began with. Then rocket. Nggak usah rise lagi. Rocket ya rocket. Rocket to. After that, steadily was staying. Ya. Kenapa steadily, sir? Terus-terusan sama
Nah,
kah?
karena dia konsisten dari 165 ke 160, saya anggap
Sama.
konsisten. Ya,
160 dua-duanya.
165 sih, sebelumnya 165, setelahnya 160. Jadi beda dikit. So
Oh, was
I'm just konsisten.
steadily in between gitu aja. Soalnya kalau steady terus sama, sir. In between 150 to gitu. The United States got hmm, at the top you are mentioning what is your focus in paragraph 3, sir?
My focus in paragraph 3 is country with similar point between India and
Ah, terus in the paragraph 4 you concern with the highest point.
United States. Ya, yes.
Hmm. Lowest pointnya nggak ada. Ada di mana?
Eh, Berarti udah kehabisan waktu aja sih, Miss, untuk
Oh,
nempel ganti. Iya, because
oke.
based on my overall is United States was leading and
Ya,
India with the slightly close.
if ya, kalau kita mention sama-sama in last paragraph ya. In contrast, the lowest and energy production was taken by apa? By itu ya, India ya, in
Oh, ya,
year
ya.
1985 by only 200 megawatts. Yes, like that. Yeah, good. So this will be the overview. Some notice that you can use the use of consecutively, yeah, consecutively, or if it is one, respectively, ya. Hmm.
So I'm writing in paragraph 3 about by the given periods. Uh,
Where is it?
yeah, I consecutively by the given period. That can
Oh yeah, if if you put by the given four periods of time, you don't write the year,
mm,
ya,
so
because
I can
consecutively itu artinya sudah berurutan, sir.
um,
Itu arti consecutively. Jadi year-nya nggak usah disebutin lagi. Kan udah jelas. Di atas juga udah berkali-kali disebutkan ini dari 85 sampai 2000 gitu ya. Heeh. Jadi itu dihilangkan. That's why it's up to you. You make like this one by year ya. Tapi itu menjadi seperti uh, bukan effective writing gitu. Kalau mau diganti, you change by the given four periods. Gitu.
so I can remove from after that until by 2000 and replace consecutively like that.
you only erase the by and then the year. By 1990, by 1995, by 2000, erase. Yes. Okay. So this is gonna be time for you. So I will give the edited one, yeah, to you. Yeah, sorry. Yeah.